Did you hear that? Yes, sounds like a baby bird. Oh no, it is hurt.
We must help it. Don't worry, little one. We'll take you somewhere safe. Here's the rescue hut.
Knock! Now,
Oh dear, bring it in.
please help the bird.
Always call for help if you find injured animals.
We'll remember that.
You're safe now, little one.
Soon you'll fly again.
It's just a sprain. It'll be okay.
Hands goes, but we goes, Good luck, little buddy. Fly high soon.
It likes you.
Animals know who cares.
Why?
I feel happy inside. Helping brings peace.
Big Mouse, we did good today.
Yes, kindness wins.